What are you doing? You have to say. You have to say something. I'm cleaning today.
Hello guys, welcome back to LifeWithPandyas. Today we are cleaning the terrace because it's very dirty. You have known we have to keep our surroundings clean. So that's why we are cleaning the terrace today. Today I am with my cousin Kabir.
We are cleaning our entire terrace today because it is very dirty and we don't get a clean place to play. And remember, you have to always keep your surroundings clean.
Going to help our Didi. The white one. Now we are
Water and you drain the water.
okay.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.